What's up, guys? Welcome back to Love to Crypto. This is my Bitcoin morning update. Let's get after it. All right, this is what I'm seeing right now. This is the daily chart. Let's just look at the daily chart. There's a few different patterns you can see. One of them is a rising wedge type of a thing. So you can draw this different ways, you know, like this or like this. Now, I am currently still bullish. I'm going to show you why, but rising wedges do tend to break down, most of the time. But falling wedges break up most of the time. So here's what I'm seeing right now. Obviously, you could see it this way. You could also see it this way. And I'm going to zoom into. Let's see. Actually, let's do the bearish scenario just in case, real quick. So this is what I'm seeing. I think if this is a rising wedge that's breaking down, I think that if it does break down, we could look to seeing maybe. I mean, I don't see how this is possible right now, but the charts do tell me if this does break down, you could revisit 30K again. You could revisit 31K again. I have this as a key level support too. 31, the chart at 32. Obviously, there's stops along the way. That's the bearish case. And that could happen. You know what I mean? Anything is possible with these markets. And this is not financial advice. Nothing I do or say should be taken as financial advice. But that could definitely happen. There we go. But this is why I am still bullish, and I'm gonna show you why. Let's zoom into the 4 hour. Let's just take it one step at a time. 4 hour time frame. I'm still leaning towards this, and I know that this isn't traditional, but I've seen this play out many times. And obviously each chart is a little bit different. Let's see, look, this chart is different. So this could still be kind of a rising wedge or an ascending triangle. I'm going to show you this one actually. Hold on. This chart looks a little better to me. Right here. This is kind of a mess. Okay. This is the long I'm in right now with Bitcoin. So let's do this. Let's just take this line away. Sorry about that. Here we go. All right. This is what I'm still seeing. And it's an ascending triangle. Because the reason why I'm seeing this, and the reason why I think this is more probable right now, we've had a lot of time to fall down, guys. And this is the 4 hour time frame. And look at this. The moving averages, the 50, the 26, and the 12 have all moved up. Like we've had enough time in this range for all the moving averages to move up. This is a good thing. And they're all underneath us right now. So we are consolidating above the moving averages right now. And everybody's bearish, and I don't know what it is lately, but every time everybody's bearish, I have ran the opposite direction most of the time, and we've been pretty spot on, you know. And I'm not claiming to know it all or anything like that, but we've been pretty spot on. But look at this. I want to show you this. We've been in this range like this, and it's just getting tighter and tighter and tighter. I have seen this a million different times where you'll have a pattern like this, an ascending triangle, and then we broke out of it, right? Like, oh my gosh, we broke out. We went up higher. And I've seen it come right back into the pattern. When this happens, I tend to usually just X this out like it never happened. And this happens all the time. People miss this, but if this never happened, look at where we're at. It would look extremely bullish to me if this never happened. This is just a fake out, right? It's just a fake out. Now, I do understand that the rising wedge situation could do this. Yes, that's possible. And we could go up again, come down again, go in and dump down, or, explode out of it somehow, get on top of it. So this is why I'm still bullish though. Because to me, this is the probabilities are telling me this never happened right here. And now that we're here, look at this. I drew a fib. I mean, look, right now we're bouncing off the 382. Yesterday we were bouncing down here off the 618 and the 0.5. I think we're up here now and still consolidating on the 4 hour, and the moving averages are coming up. Look, moving averages are coming up. They're getting tighter. I think it's telling me that this could definitely explode to the upside. I am in a long all the way to 39K, 40K ish area right now. That might change, depending, but that's my game plan right now. My plan right now is to take this long. If we do get the long to play out, I'm going to take it up to around the 40K range. The reason why I'm doing that is because of this, and I know I showed this on some other videos. The reason why I'm doing that is because if this is still an ascending triangle, you take the measured move, and people that don't think patterns are powerful, guys, patterns are Crazy. I mean, we've been able to nail our long trades and our shorts lately with patterns, and it's been incredible. So look, this is the measured move, and this is like probably on the more conservative side. I mean, this 40 to 41K, and I've seen other charts where people are seeing 46K. So for me right now, it's important for me to do my own market analysis, and I get inspired by others. See, look, this is the pull all the way up to here, and to get inspired by others, but it's important to learn your own strategies, and this has been my strategy, and you know, applying different things right now, and this pattern is looking good to me, and that's why I've remained in this long, and I've raised my stop loss, you know, just in case. And there we are, you know what I mean? And this is what I think is most probable right now. And I know other people are saying rising wedge is going to break down, and I get it. I understand it, and that could happen, and I'm okay with being wrong. You know what I mean? I'm definitely okay with being wrong, because we can make money when it goes up and when it goes down. So it doesn't matter to me where it goes. So right now, obviously, I have a short-term bias because, you know, I want it to go up because I'm in a long, and some other coins as well. But, you know, maybe in another video, we'll take a look at Solana. Solana's been awesome lately, and there's some other great altcoins, and I think altcoins are about to blast as well. I think everything is setting up to me to look like we're going to go to the upside again. It's just a matter of when. And we could get a drop down. You know, I'm just keeping this open-minded. I'm keeping open-minded. We could get a drop down again before we go back up. Wouldn't be a bad thing. It definitely would be healthy, you know? But I think we've consolidated enough to where, man, if we could stay above these moving averages and they get tighter and tighter and tighter, I think we could blast up. So let's see what happens. Yeah, that's my Bitcoin analysis and the update for today. Have a good one.